Hello students, in this video we are going to discuss about the electrochemical cell and the Gibbs energy of the reaction. Electrical work done in 1 second is equal to the electrical potential multiplied by total charge passed. So if delta G is the Gibbs energy of the reaction and if E is the EMF of the cell and N is the number of electron, F is the Faraday's, these together is the amount of charge passed, then the delta G, that is the Gibbs energy of the reaction, can be represented by a formula, that is delta G is equal to minus NF E cell, where E cell is the EMF of the cell, N is the number of electron and F is the Faraday's constant. So for the equation, that is the Daniell cell equation, that is Zn plus Cu2 plus giving rise to Zn2 plus Cu. If we want to write down the delta G for this reaction, we can write in this way, that is delta G is equal to minus 2F E cell. Now what is here? The value of N we have substituted here, that is the number of electron gained or lost in this reaction is 2. So that is what we got, the equation delta G is equal to minus 2Fe cell. Now here, if the concentration of all the reacting species is unity, that is if it is taken 1 molar concentration of all the species in this reaction, that is concentration of zinc ion and the copper ion, if it is taken as unity, at the time we can say that E cell is equal to E naught cell. That is what in the standard condition. So this reaction, that is this reaction can be replaced in this way, that is delta G naught is equal to minus 2F E naught cell. So what we have made the changes here, if the concentration is taken in the unity, at the time E cell is equal to E naught cell. So the value is actually now it becomes standard value. That is what it is kept not here. So delta G naught is equal to minus 2F E naught cell. We already learned the formula of E naught cell in the previous video, that is equal to 2.303 RT by NF log Kc. Now if you substitute this value here, so we got the value, that is after making a calculation we get that delta G naught is equal to minus RT ln K. So if we make this relation, that is delta G is equal to minus RT ln K, so we have learned the equation, that is delta G naught is equal to minus NF E naught cell. Now that is equal to the minus RT ln K. So from this what we can find out, we can find out E naught cell. E naught cell is equal to, that is minus minus cancel here. So RT ln K by NF. Now this equation, if you substitute the value of R, T, N, F, but the N value is particle for the particle equation. So let we keep the N as it is. So the ln can be made into the logarithm log, that is logarithm. That can be by multiplying with the number 2.303 and 8.314 is the value of R. Temperature is 298 Kelvin and the Faraday's constant 96500. So after substituting all these value, now what we get after making a calculation, E naught cell is equal to 0.059 by N log K. Now this is the equation which you have to learn, that is this equation is at 25 degrees Celsius. So in the problem, most probably we'll be using this formula also to find out the log K value, or the K value we can find out if the E naught cell value is known to us. Let us do a problem based on this, that is the problem 3.3. The standard electrode potential for the Daniell cell is given, that is 1.1 volt. Calculate the standard Gibbs energy for the reaction. So the reaction is known to us, that is zinc plus copper and give rise to zinc ion plus copper. So what is the formula we are using here? Because what we have to find out, we have to find out the standard Gibbs energy, that is delta G naught. We have to find it out. But here, what are the given thing here? That is E naught cell value is given to us. That is the standard electrode potential for the Daniell cell is given as 1.1 volt. That is E naught cell value is given. So we'll be using the formula, that is delta G naught is equal to minus NF E naught cell. Here what is the value of N? N is equal to 2, because in the reaction 2 electrons are lost and or the 2 electrons are gained. So here the value of N is equal to 2. So we'll be substituting the values here. N is equal to 2. E naught cell value is given 1.1 volt, and a Faraday's constant value we can apply here, and we'll solve it. We'll get the value of delta G naught. So the standard Gibbs energy for the reaction is found in this way. That is actually the joule per mole value can be converted into kilojoule per mole. This is all about this video. Have a nice day.